Hi guys, my name is Alexander from Vannado Campervans. Welcome to our next van tour video. Today I'm excited to show you our latest adventure van, Vannado Karakorum. This van is built on MAN TGE 4x4, so it's ready for every terrain and every season. So let's start with the exterior and then dive into details inside. This van stands out with its graphite RAPTOR coating, not just stylish, but rugged and ready for off-road challenges. Here we have 17-inch rims with beadlock system and all-terrain tires. Also we have lifted suspension, Bilstein by 4x4 project. In this camper we put also winch and the full aluminum underbody protection. Here we have snorkel Bravo. Also a lot of additional lighting by strands. The back of our camper van we equipped mostly with Dutch van parts, starting with cargo ladder, cargo frame, cargo box, 130 liters, so it's really spacious and strong. On the left we have spare wheel carrier. On our cargo frame we equipped two Thule bike racks, so you can easily put your bikes and go for the adventure. In our cargo area we have the whole EcoFlow system, also with the air conditioning right here, also the air compressor by ARB, the airline system for secure gear transport, outdoor shower with cold and hot water. On the back doors we mounted the Fiskar skid for flexible use. Outside we mounted 3 security cameras. Last but not least, we added composite scent tracks. Also, all over the camper van we installed the S7 dometic windows, 2 in the rear doors, 1 in the bathroom and 1 in the lounge area, so the working or dining area. Let's dive into details inside. From the entrance you can see the features like outside coffee tables, also place to mount the mosquito nets or the winter isolation mats, the sliding step. Let's take a look into the world of comfort and craftsmanship. The kitchen features rustic oak veneer. The fronts of upper cabinets use high quality Forbo materials for durability and style. Under the countertop we have a lot of storage units, a Forbo marmoleum floor and a grey toned upholstery for a modern cozy atmosphere. The upper cabinets are really big and spacious. In the kitchen we installed dual induction hob, microwave, but also 70 liters fridge, which we can open both sides, so it's really comfortable when we're cooking or just camping outside. Water is always fresh thanks to the AB Filter Fusion active system with a dedicated tap and mobile fill filter. The winterized setup keeps all water tanks inside, so you're ready for year-round adventures. Enjoy a full bathroom with features a composting Ogo toilet. The lounge area features 4 travel seats, 2 front swivel captain chairs and 2 fully adjustable rear seats. What I love about these seats is that they're upholstered with a natural leather and Alcantara. The LED lighting system creates a warm, inviting mood throughout the van, including the cargo area. In all our dometic S7 windows we have blackout blinds and mosquito nets made by Vancraft. In this camper van we installed the EcoFlow system, and here we have our control panel from which we can control our electricity for more control of your energy usage, so you can be more independent of grid. For example, we can switch on and off our Truma heating, our induction hub, fridge, the water pump, air compressor, and so on and so on. Nice, huh? I know. On the back of our camper van, we have really spacious and comfortable bed. But let's jump into our roof, because that's my favorite part of every camper van made by Vannado. In our pop-top roof, we have additional sleeping area with a big mattress for another 2 people. Also, we have additional lighting to, for example, read the book or just spending here the nights and enjoy the views around our camper van. It's really interesting, and what I really like is that we made the cover for our roof hole. In that camper van, the heating system is by Truma 6DE, so our heating system delivers warm air to every zone of the camper van, even the roof tent. The Vannado Karakorum is built for people who demand more comfort, more capability, more freedom. Ready for winter, summer, and everything in between. Let us know what you think in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more van tours and adventure inspiration. See you on the road. Bye!